Does Python use copy on write for copies of lists? Suppose I copy an existing list. Some edits. I heard that Python uses copy on write when either copied underscore list or existing underscore list is mutated. Is this true? Seems to me like an overcomplication that requires locking all over the place. Think multi-threading. For clarity, I am not looking for a cowample. I'm just trying to understand what's Python standard behavior.
There is no copy on write. When you run copied underscore list equals existing underscore list column, a new list is built and populated immediately. Here is the source, this URL.
This isn't copy on write, this is existing references continue to exist until replaced. Nothing to see here, move along.
Most Python implementations use locking all over the place anyway, and it ruins multi-threading anyway, the GIL. But still, I don't think copy on write is used. It requires further locking and organization, it's a pretty low-level optimization, and the cost of copying will be smaller than usual as everything is a reference, so you just copy endpointers. You can read the source if you care enough. I didn't dissect all methods that may copy, but a quick search, copy, write, lock, didn't find anything indicating cow or a similar mechanism.
No. If you want a list implementation with copy on write, try Blist.
If you want to support the channel, please consider